This is your lesson 6 skills test. Berry banana shake. This drink is very good for you. Ask a grown-up to help you. Ingredients: 1 medium banana sliced, a cup strawberries sliced, a fourth orange juice, 1½ cups cold low-fat milk, 1/4 teaspoon almond flavoring optional. What you do: 1. Gather all the ingredients. 2. Put all ingredients into a blender. 3. Cover the blender. 4. Blend into the shake to smooth and creamy. Now go to your questions to complete. How do you make the shake smooth and creamy? Freeze it, chop it, by blending it in a blender. What does the word sliced mean? To cut into pieces, peel the fruit, eat the fruit. Why is it important to cover the blender? The bananas won't mix with the strawberries, the blender won't work, so the ingredients don't go everywhere. Which step do you need to do second? Blend until the shake is smooth and creamy. Gather all the ingredients. Put all the ingredients into a blender. What does this recipe state? Why does the recipe state ask a grown-up to help? The grown-up will help you drink the shake. The grown-up will help you stay safe as you use the blender and slice the fruit. The grown-up will help you clean up your dishes. Why do you need to do the steps in order? To make sure it's made correctly, ingredients, so it looks good. What would you need to do first? Cover the blender, get the ingredients you need at the store, drink the shake. Which ingredients are used in berry banana shake? Strawberries and blueberries, orange juice and almond flavoring, bananas and blueberries. In your short answer, whenever cooking, it's important to follow directions. A. Explain a reason why it's important to follow the sequence of a recipe. B. Use information from the recipe to support your answer. So you're going to click here and type in your answer. Make sure you put A and explain the reason why it's important to follow the sequence of a recipe. Then put B and then use information from the recipe to support your answer. Don't forget to click the submit button once you've finished.